Okay, so now we are going to auscultate the lung. This is my patient. He's still my volunteer. He granted us his consent. We are in this private room, of course. For many reasons, we're not in a hospital. We're just doing it in a room. We're pretending. Okay, for now, we're going to auscultate the lung. We are going to ask my patient to please lay down. Thank you so much. Now we are going to start with the lung auscultation. We put on our stethoscope. And with the stethoscope, we ask the patient to breathe deeply in and out, inhale and exhale with every time I put the stethoscope on your chest. Okay, so now we start. Inhale, exhale. Okay, perfect. This is 1. 2, inhale, exhale. This is 2. 3, inhale. Okay, perfect. 4. 5. Okay, 6. 7. Perfect. 8. This is perfect, please. I need this one. 9. And 10.